Had a couple of illy bulls come and visit this morning. I sat in the back door on my haunches, just tilting the camera up as this one came from the back of the kitchen. And he caught a whiff of me, getting a little bit of a jolt, and then came a bit closer to come and investigate, obviously with the intimidating ear spread. And then almost towered over me with his trunk almost touching the camera. And then he just gently backed off again. I expected him to be a bit more spooked. And then he just relaxed and started feeding on the weeping boerbean just outside the kitchen door. What a fantastic way to start the morning.